Hi everybody! So today we're going camping. Tingnan mo naman ang aming car. See? Punong-puno ng gagawin. And we're here, Santa's Village again. Our favorite camping site. It's good for kids. It's very nice. Kitchen/dining area. Diyan kami karon mo bonfire. And then say hello to the first tent. Hi, first tent. Okay, I'm gonna vlog again later. I'm gonna go to the next tent, our second tent for today. Yai, Tutu Louie, Coco, and Sir Ed's. Diyan lang ang tent. Ooh! Hi! Ready na si Tutu Lois. Oh, dito ang aming third tent. Hi! Ayan, they're getting ready. Okay, our fourth tent. Uy, wow. So big. This is CJ's. Tita Anga, Tito Jeff, Mama Mers, Papa Buboy, and Papsi. Hello guys! And this is our fifth tent.
Hi guys! Guys, hi!
Ayan, tingnan nyo naman.
Hi guys!
Oh, Shipu Apo is live!
Camping site namin, dinadala ko pa rin si Shipu. Yes, of course. Shipu Apo for life.
Yes, so beautiful. Look. Hi, tour! Oh, diba? Bongga ang tent. This is the girls' crib. So, Sophia, Manay, me, Aning, Kena, and Olivia. Diba?
Model.
And the Shipu model. Say hello. Oh, tingnan nyo naman. I don't mag si Sir Bri. Ayan, sila. Chismis time. TikTok time. Look, so cute. Oh, so cute! Magsaysay! Ano, Timo? Aning street? Ito yung sa ano, ganito ah? Marshallin for sale, Giso.
Binayaan Street.
Yung Timo, ano yung sa binayaan? Oh, karoon na, bukbukan.
Top. Nice.
Muskoka, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the one, the only, Reese Palabrica! Enjoy the moment. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, have a seat, relax, and enjoy the show, okay?
Oh my God!
Here we go! Walk with caution! Walk with caution, please! Simulan na dyan! Wow!
Ito, spell yan.
Ladies, ladies, right, left,
Bongga na Papa! Uy!
Okay, back to the future, fools, please! Wow! Okay, galaw-galaw mga ladies! Dance! Dance! Okay, are you ready?
Yes!
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, wow.
Oh, double check, judges, please.
Balong.
I saw the big ghost there. Look, the eyes is so big. Oh, it's not a ghost. It's CJ. Oh my God.
Buhay na buhay, 5 seconds na. Wala niyo nga grabe ang aso na kaya nagamit ko sa mga fresh.
13. All right.
Okay, sino mag-cast?
As soon as 13 finish, I think that bottle should be finished.
Sino mag-cast?
This is us, guys, celebrating Canada Day in advance because some of the campers are going home tomorrow.
lang lista sa ano.
Oo, di ba?
Ano dyan, tita nga, ragyan?
Pang rich kid ko no. Amo dyan nagyan ka mga rich kid? Oh my gosh!
I mean, rich kid ka din.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah. Look at the view.
Dala na may tusalo mo. Dala kami ginaw, talo. We're gonna go down?
Ay, ano?
So ito yung mga ganap dito sa camping, guys. Ito anong ganap dito? Oh.
Oban.
Oh.
Base na ka-live ikaw dyan.
Bid para sa vlog to, para sa vlog. Ano yung munage? Para sa vlog yan.
Corn. Real corn.
Alone habok contest. Okay, sino yung mananalo sa inyo?
Ako ginalo eh.
Oo.
Teka, yun na paano kayo kayo?
Ang gudon ka aling para hindi kami yalang tabok. Guys, I can't.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Action!
Wow! Wow!
Very good.
Good job!
Hi guys! Yes! Say hi to my vlog! Okay, follow me ha. Follow our YouTube channel.
Okay. Shout out, shout out.
Shout out!
Hoy! Ay, mga pagkakulay ko, Laila.
Oh, hi! Kaduro ka aton nga bisita, may fiesta tara diya sa sa Kalinog. Hot. Hi, madam. Wow, you're so relaxed there, huh? Ay, wow, sana all.
Hi, Clark! Kung buhay, hindi ka magkalo.
Hi, tita. Oh, Coco, where's Olivia? There's Olivia. Where are we, sir?
I falls.
Non-stop ang amo ka dyan. Ang heart. Hello.
Pwede pa na ako kita eh.
Wow.
Coco! CJ, come here!
Cheers, guys. Oh.
Binutod mo. Karoon na guys. Wala mo to, dahan-dahan itong palipod.
So where is the s'mores?
Karoon lang.
Where's the s'mores?
Magpakaisa tuon. Kandawan yung gitin nyo.
Nag-live gani. Live gid gani.
Gotcha! Isa tiniklon mo tayo mo anin.
Night.
Night, CJ.
Daddy. Camera. Sino ka pa? Ako naman. Okay. Action. Mac? 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 Turn mo na. Turn mo na.
It's your turn. They're plus 8. It's plus
Mark, we've been waiting for you.
plus 8. You can't.
I saw time lapse before and after. How much time lapse?
First and last.
Sir Eds,
Yeah.
today is our...
Last day. It's home sweet home.
Are you excited to go home, Liv? No more tent, guys. It's the last day. What can you say about our camping, Tita?
Amazing.
Amazing. What can you say about our camping, guys? Enjoy. Wow.
First time.
First time. Good job, everybody.
All the kids in front.
What can you say about our camping?
It's very tiring and it's very fun.
How about you, Chloe?
And I like swimming in the pool.
Nice.
This is our last day here.
What can you say about our camping, Madam?
From our family to yours, happy Canada Day!
Lots of happiness for the family.
Memories! Diyan kayo kuya tayo.
Yayi, you don't look fine. What can you say about our camping?
Yeah. Gimit. Kay.
Yayi. May sakit pa to, guys, ha?
Special constable or a police officer. If you see something, say something.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Kiss daw na kanya. Sister Gion. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I can label 4 quadrants of a Cartesian coordinate plane.
Bro, just do it.